Why are you out here hooting at 1 o'clock? Supper time is not until 3. So you better get a new battery for your puppy dog watch. So what happens is, welcome to the channel, guys. Ouachita Mountain Living. What happens is I'm doing dishes, see? There's the window. Sink's right there. So she thinks, she hears the clunking around, thinks that it's time to eat. And it ain't. It was milk bone time though, and you got that. Yeah. Alright guys, I had a question from a subscriber yesterday. They want to know why these two dogs are out here and Millie and Tilly, well, there's Waldo and Lily are in there. Well, he's 12 years old and he's been with Lily his whole life. She's 10. And these two showed up last year. And when I first came here, I had 9 dogs, okay? They've all lived out their lives, and then I was down to 3. I'm not getting any more dogs because it's hard on me. It's expensive. But Tilly showed up last May, somewhere around last May. I just let her hang out because she looked terrible. She wasn't getting fed right where she was across the hill. So she just started hanging out here. And then Millie showed up one day, probably July of last year, and she was scared of everything, still is. And I got them both fixed, but I said I'm not building any more yards. I already tore down the old yards. They don't ever leave the property, so I don't have to worry about them going out there on the road. It has been a long time since either one of them have left the property, so that's why they got a place to stay, but I'm not building them any yards. I give them a dog house, I feed them, I take them to the vet, but other than that, I'm not building any more yards for any more dogs. I'm not going to put them in the yard with them. They're not used to that, being in a yard. They've never been in a yard, and as long as they don't go out on the road, they're fine, and they never leave. So that's why they always just hang out back here. And you know, when it's hot, super hot, they'll go over to them woods over there. They know how to stay cool. I watch them, so they're taken care of. All right guys, I am down to 1 battery on the GoPro, as I mentioned in the Dogman video, if you had watched that. So I'm just getting bits and pieces of stuff that I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get the house straightened up. I'm not going to film any of that, but I'm waiting on batteries to charge for the DeWalt as well, my weed eater. And I'm going to get out here and knock some of this stuff down. And over the next couple weeks, I'm going to start clearing this whole area out, cleaning it up. Get some of these areas like this that have weeds, because I don't do the heat. And so a lot of this went downhill over the summer. We had very few cool days. All right, let's get to going to whatever I'm doing. I am going to put on, my handlebars came today, or my mirrors came, and we're going to put them on the e-bike here in a minute. But I got to finish doing dishes. There's always something to do, and we're going to have a cookout later. So I don't know if that'll make it on this video or not. We'll see. All right, Jeff isn't going to be able to make it. I did not get to put the grill together yet, so I have to go ahead and eat some of this up because it's been in there for 2 days already. I've got broths in the air fryer. We're gonna got these hoagie buns. I went and picked me some peppers. We're sauteing some bell peppers, red ones, some orange ones, some onions, and some mushrooms. And we're gonna have a good lunch, very late lunch. Got my dishes done. These things, they always stain if you don't wash them right away. So I just pour bleach water in there, let them soak, boy, they'll clean right up. That's some old style Tupperware bowls. Yeah, I am hungry. And there we have it. Some Cajun spiced bratwurst with sauteed onions, sauteed bell peppers, yellow and or red, and mushrooms. I'm gonna dig in, man. Bon appetit. All right, folks, we received Well, I received a $1,000 donation. She doesn't want her name mentioned, but I am gonna film me transferring this right now because I don't want it sitting in my account because I've got bills that come out automatically, so I don't want to lose any of it. She sent $1,010. The $10 was like a test to make sure it went through. So now I am going to send it. I'm going to click on the furry tails here. Wait a minute. 110. Nope. It's kind of an oddball looking number, ain't it? Let's see. Am I stupid today or what? 1,010. No. One more zero, goofball. Oh my gosh. This is hilarious. I'll give her the $10. I'll give her the $10 when I'm there. Alright, let's send this 1,000. Furry Tales Rescue is a non-profit organization. Okay. It doesn't charge anything. And you have sent $1,000 to Furry Tales Rescue, and if I get a response from them before this video is over, I'll put it in the video. But that is cool. One of my subscribers, she wanted to match my income, what I was going to donate from my YouTube income at the end of the month, but that's a slippery slope, because if one of my videos were to happen to go viral, that would be a whole lot of money. So she came up with that figure. I said, Ben, that's awesome. They really need donations bad right now, so that will help them. And again, on Saturday, we will be at the Puppalooza. It's a fundraiser for them. A bunch of channels will be there. So, isn't that cool, guys? Love it. Alright, guys, I got the mirrors. Let's see if we can... I don't know if I'll be able to get both of them on because there's a lot of junk over there, but we'll see. But if I can at least get one on here, that would make it a lot nicer. And of course, I did not read the instructions. How hard could it be? Put a mirror on. I mean, what do I look like, a moron? I don't. They're not very long. Okay. I think I'm going to put one right here. Okay, where's the sticker outer? Right there. So that's going to have to be up like that. Very simple. Be a whole lot safer with mirrors on. Because my fat old neck don't turn anymore. That's about it. Driving's even difficult. I gotta like turn with the vehicle so I can see. I'm sure a lot of you know about that. It ain't enjoyable. How long is it gonna take before you come out of there? Alright, line up with the hole. Ah, yeah. How come you ain't going in? No, it's probably got a thread further. Yep, there a bit. Oh my goodness. Why do I have so many problems putting junk together nowadays? I try to be a nice guy. Boy, them sandwiches sure was good. Alright, that's probably as good as I'm gonna get that. Bet y'all ain't never watched the dude put them. Obviously you're watching the wrong guy putting the mirror on. Why didn't it bite? Probably put it on backwards. I'm telling you. No, I screwed them in the wrong way. Gotta go in the other one. I hear you in there. I'm putting stuff together, and you know not to bother Daddy when he's putting stuff together, because it gets him mad. How could it be that tight? I ain't that strong. Lefty loosey. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go. That thing's so tight I can't get it off. Alright, get my mean face. Man, there's no way, man. Well, you guessed it. The battery went dead. So I had to go get a new battery. Well, I didn't go get a new battery. I had to charge that one. Where was I? Where's the part? There it is. Oh. It's been a while. I only let that thing charge a half an hour. So hopefully that's enough to finish this video. But I'm wondering if it's going to be in the way of these buttons here. I don't know. Get one of them tightened on here and we'll see. We won't tighten them all the way. Where you at, Mirror? Is this going to be a fast go today? They match pretty good. And these will turn 360 degrees. Okay. Let's get on this dude. Oh yeah, I can see behind me. Raise it up a little bit. I have to wait till I get on the road, but I can see if a car is coming up on me, and they look pretty cool. I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to put the other one on, because that's double mirrors are better. All right, guys, shall I pop a wheelie? Forgot how. Alright, I'm going to end the video here. That was cool sending that donation. I thank you for that. You know who you are. Hopefully we get many more. You know, it's endless how much money they need. It is. It's endless. There is another kickstand that I didn't know about. Imagine that. Alright, so it's always good we can get them anything, and I hope I make a lot of money on these videos, and that'll get them even more. Thanks for watching, folks. Go be sure to go check out the Dogman channel as well. Happy trails. Alright, let's go do some weight eating. Gotta try to get this place back into shape. It's supposed to be a like a garden bed, kind of a weed bed. It gets hard to take care of these big properties. You get a little older, man, it's slow down. Fuck. It ain't so much it's hard, it's the heat that I can't deal with anymore. So I don't get out here. in the summer. Well, so much for that. Need more string. It's always something. If it ain't a battery, it's the string. I got some over here, but I just needed 8 more minutes, guys. So that's why I'm weed eating. All right. These things are pretty easy to... Let me show you real quick. All you do on these things... That's the wrong kind of string. I got the string is in a shambles. You just... There's this it. Yeah, that'll work. It'll give me a few more minutes. You just... There's a hole through here. And it goes through all the way to the other side. The trick is getting it through there. And you just twist it. And you want to... Well, would you come through there? I got you on the chest plate, so that's probably why I'm having trouble. This thing's all crooked. Okay. A lot of heavy equipment in the area. So if you hear beepings and boppings, that's what it is. I'm about to give up on that. I see you, but the string's too curled up. Yes, boy, I know how to do it. He's trying to tell me how to do it over there. I believe we're through. And you just get it about the even amount and you twist. That's all there is to it, man. Whole lot easier than the other weed eater. And we're ready to go again. I know. While we're here, let's just not waste our energy. I could have got this with the mower, but I didn't know if there's, you can't see if there's any rocks in there. Bit of a ditch there. Weeds. Gotta get that junk out of there. Alright guys, I think I got my 8 minutes. We will see you tomorrow. Happy trails.